everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and more. Welcome back to our channel and welcome to 12 Days of Christmas. This is a collab that was hosted by Scrappy Tate Paulette here on YouTube, and everybody that participate are amazing crafters, so I can't wait to see what everybody created and received. If you are not subscribed to their channel, please go over and subscribe. Anyways, thank you. So I'm coming along today with number 10 and 11. So I'm behind. I do apologize for that. So again, my partner is Stays, and this is what I created for day number 10. And it is 2 embellishment flags. And this is a KS Craft die that I used, and I thought it was so cute. Of course, I used the same digitals that I've been using, and Martha Stewart for the back of the packaging. So hopefully she likes this, and we are coming along with number 11 now, you guys. There you guys go. So day 11, I did package this. I tried to make the packaging a little different. Use Martha Stewart, trying to use up my Martha Stewarts, but I did also use this KS Crafts cute Santa box, and I ended up putting my cards in there. These are cards that I made, and I will let her show you guys what I created. And thank you guys for taking the time to watch. We'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.